It's gotten too common, unfortunately.
Breaking right now, a crisis in the classroom at an elementary school in Hoover. Class is canceled today after a threatening voicemail was left on the school's phone system. Hoover City school officials say Deer Valley Elementary School took an e-learning day today out of an abundance of caution. That's where we find ABC 3340's Gracie Johnson. She joins us now with what she knows about that situation. And Gracie, what's going on out there?
Ashanti, Hoover police say the threatening voicemail was discovered on the Deer Valley Elementary School's voicemail last night. School officials notified police immediately, and officers conducted a thorough sweep of the campus. A threatening voicemail forced Deer Valley Elementary School in Hoover to close its campus for in-person learning Wednesday. According to Hoover police, the message was left on the school's voicemail after hours Tuesday night. Hoover City Schools immediately notified authorities, who launched an investigation and conducted a comprehensive security sweep of the campus. Out of an abundance of caution, students shifted to e-learning for the day while officers secured the school. Police say the message closely resembled threats recently reported in school districts across the country.
These kind of things tend to be consistent with the way these callers, I say callers, sometimes it's through the internet that the threats come, so a variety of different ways.
Experts say the number of school threats have increased in recent years.
It's gotten too common, unfortunately. And again, we've been tracking it. Our best way of tracking it is through following media reports. And our public information officer does a great job of keeping up with those media reports and compiling those. And again, it's been on the rise.
Hoover police reported no security concerns at Deer Valley Elementary and no indication of an active threat to any Hoover school. Still, police say they will maintain an increased police presence as normal operations resume Thursday.
This is where, kind of finding the right balance is important. We do have to be careful about unintentionally allowing kind of a contagion to begin, where if someone sees that they were successful in disrupting the school, they're likely to try it again.
Hoover City school leaders say they take every threat seriously and remain focused on protecting students and staff.
One of the things they can feel confident about is a great police department, great school district working together to create a safe school environment.
Now, because of the similarities to incidents nationwide, Hoover police tell me they have referred the case to the FBI for further investigation. Ashanti.
That was Gracie Johnson reporting there. Thanks, Gracie. Now, if there's ever an issue going on within your school system that you'd like us to look out for, go ahead, email us at the address. It's right there on your screen, newstip@abc3340.com. Make sure to identify the school and the school system, and also, of course, include a good number for us to call and follow up.